Welcome everyone. Question on organic chemistry. The product of the reaction is when this compound contains two types of amines, aromatic amine and aliphatic amine, reacts with NaNO2 and HCl at pH equivalent to 1. Product choices are A. Diazotization of the aromatic amine, B. Diazotization of the aliphatic amine, C. Diazotization of both amines, D. 4-methyl aniline. Answer is A. Diazotization of the aromatic amine. Explanation we will see in the next slide. This compound contains two types of amines. Aromatic amine, this is the aromatic amine, and aliphatic amine, this is the aliphatic amine. When this compound reacts with NaNO2 and HCl at pH equivalent to 1, diazotization takes place at the aromatic amine. Again, when this compound reacts with NaNO2 and HCl at pH greater than 3, diazotization takes place at the aliphatic amine. Because aliphatic amines do not react with NaNO2 and HCl below a pH of about 3. Thank you for watching this video.